How to get custom alarm sound for your Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can get the custom alarm sound for our Android device. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can open up your device and head over to the clock app, or you can use that clock app directly, this one, and open it up. Once you open it up, all you need to do is go ahead and set up alarm first. So you can go ahead and select up a time for the alarm that you want to set. And here in the bottom, you'll be finding alarm sound. So if you want to customize it, you can just go ahead and tap on it and you'll be getting this option. So you can head over to Spotify. You can use Spotify songs as your alarm sound if you want. This is one of the method you can use in order to customize it. Otherwise, we can directly head over to Ringtone. And when you head over here, you'll be finding default sounds by the device itself. But if you want to add your own, in the top right corner, you can find a plus icon. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will open up your device's musics that are available on your device. So you can just go ahead and select up that music that you prefer. And then after that, if you want to select it the higher lights part only, you can turn this on. But if you want to select it from the first, you can go ahead and turn it off and tap on done. And after that is done, it will select that music. So that is how you customize your alarm sound on your device. After that, you can save up your alarm. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.